Larynx. Tapos
Pharynx. Pharynx.
Pharynx.
Trachea.
Na si trachea.
Mini pindot.
Sira si trachea.
Sige ulit.
Ay, wala pindot.
Ano yun? Bronchi.
Bronchi.
Bronchioles.
Bronchioles. Huwag mo tagalin kasi baka pundi. Alveoli. Nose. Ano yan?
Pharynx. Trachea.
Trachea. Palitan lang yun.
Bronchi.
Bronchi.
Left and right bronchus. Bronchioles.
Bronchioles.
Alveoli.
Alveoli. Lungs.
Lungs.
Diaphragm.
Okay.
Galing.
Makita ulit mo. Sige rin, ikaw. Di makita sa video yung pagbalon niya. Ayan.
Hindi, stop mo na. Yan. Bababain mo na tapos. Yan.
Kasi follow mo yung breathing.
Parang breathing nyo rin.
Inhale, exhale. Pero lagyan mo pa ng veins to that.
Oo. Gigas mo.
Sige.
Wag mo siya tagal. Okay.
Diba? Ang galing.
Hindi pa din.
Kita mo. Pero sa bagay pag sa first in person nakikita mo.
The respiratory system helps us breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So let's take a fun journey together and follow the path of air as it travels to our body. The journey begins with the nose. When we breathe in, air enters our lungs. After the nose, the air passes through the pharynx, also called the throat. The throat is like a The pharynx is like a hallway. It connects the nose to the next part of the breathing system. So the nose cleans in the air and the pharynx guides us safely down the right path. The air travels down to our trachea, also known as the windpipe. It is like a strong tube that carries air down into the chest so we can breathe easily. At the end of the trachea, there are two tubes called the bronchi. One goes to the left lung and the other one goes to the right lung. Left and right. The bronchi are like roads that lead into the lungs. They bring the air where it needs to go. Inside each lung, the bronchi branch into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles are tiny air sacs called alveoli. These are super important. Yes, the alveoli are where the magic happens. This is where oxygen goes into our blood and carbon dioxide leaves the blood to go out of the body. Now, how does the air move in and out of our lungs? The air moves in and out of our lungs. That is the job of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscle under our lungs. When we breathe in, it moves down. When we breathe out, it moves up. This movement helps pull This movement helps pull air in and push air out, just like a balloon filling up and emptying. Before we finish, let's have a quick trivia time. Did you know that an adult breathes in 20,000 breaths per day? That's a lot of air going in and out. Here's another fun fact. If you spread all of the tiny alveoli in your lungs, they would cover an area about the size of a tennis court. Wow, that shows just how amazing our lungs are. Remember the path of air. Trachea, bronchi, alveoli. Let's remember the path of air. Nose, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and the diaphragm helps it all happen. This is the lungs. Every breath we take keeps us alive by giving our body the oxygen it needs. So let's take a deep breath up, everyone, and say it with us. Thank you, Respiratory System, for helping us breathe. And we are the Oxygen Squad.